let's go straight to cook our fish stew today for the family. What's up, guys? How na day? Now food that we want prepare so for all the family. So fish stew with tomatoes, fresh pepper, garlic, ginger, onions, and pepper, everything. Now I use for the stew to make the stew to be yummy. So let's go there, guys. I've already started boiling my rice, so not the boiled rice. Because I know that when the giants come back from where they are going to, because Luca and the bright went out. I know that when they will come back now, they will say, I'm hungry, did you cook anything? So let me just quickly prepare something yummy for them. I'm cutting my tomatoes, onions, ginger, garlic, and let me start grinding. Okay. Our tomatoes is ready. I have to boil it. Let us cook it a little bit before we start stewing. You know the vibe. Cover. You know the vibe. That is how we roll it.